God, wow, what a turn, man. भाई, they don't even care. Shit, 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 shit. Check, check, check. Clear and out. भाई यहाँ पे लाइट्स आ गए, वेरी नाइस. फाइनली डेवलप हो रहा है कुछ तो. I've been on this road after like 2-3 weeks, not a while though. I usually enjoy this turn. Currently I'm heading to Kothrood, and the sole purpose to go there is to do Blinkit. Yeah, you heard it right. मैं कोथरूड जाके ब्लिंकिट करने वाला हूँ. और ब्लिंकिट क्या करने वाला हूँ? स्पाइडरमैन 2 PS5 की CD. एंड बाय द वे it's not my brain, it's my bro's brain. He called me few days back and he was like, भाई तू कोथरूड कभी जाता है क्या? And I was like, why the hell he is asking me this question? Then yeah, oh god, that's a big pothole. Okay, so I answered him कि yeah, sometimes I do go. So he was like, अगर अगली बार गया तो let me know, which I genuinely forgot to tell him. मैं बस I did went last weekend itself to Kothrood, and I genuinely forgot to tell him. So yeah, I called him 2 days back to ask why exactly he want me to go to Kothrood. So he was like, अरे कुछ नहीं, if you go to Kothrood you go and buy Spider-Man 2 CD of PS5, because apparently it's very cheap on Blinkit. It's not cheap, to be honest. I mean, as compared to other platforms it's cheap. On other platforms it's showing somewhere around 4,000. On Blinkit it's for 2.4k. So yeah, that's where our video is going to revolve. I do have plans post that. I have a movie to watch at 10:30. By the way, the movie I'm going to watch is Sinners, because I've heard the reviews and they're pretty good. And since being a horror movie addict, you gotta watch it. Rarely कभी ना कभी कोई तो अच्छी मूवी आती है. Okay, yeah, I forgot to tell you. So the movie is at 10:30. Post that I have to eat as well. I initially planned to go to Kothrood at 7:30, but as you know, India के हवा ही ऐसे कि you do the things quite late. I've began the oh god. So yeah, I've began the journey at 8. कोथरूड तक जाने के लिए आधा घंटा तो मिनिमम लगेगा, इफ़ कोई ट्रैफिक ना हो तो, विच आई एम डाउटिंग, कॉज यहाँ पे मुझे इतना ट्रैफिक लग रहा है. आई एम वेरी स्केर्ड अबाउट द बानेर क्रॉस. व्हाट क्रॉस? इट्स नॉट अ क्रॉस. द बानेर चौक, या लेट्स राधा चौक टू बी प्रिसाइज. राधा चौक वुड बी packed I can smell the thing cooking over there. So 10:30 मूवी, एटलीस्ट 9 को तो मुझे खाने के लिए जाना पड़ेगा. एंड करंटली इट्स 8:15 एंड आई एम वे बियॉन्ड माई शेड्यूल टाइम. ये डालेगा यहाँ पे. द थिंग इज दिस रोड इज़ वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट यार, एंड द रोड्स आर एक्टिविटीज़ आर ऑन हाई लेवल. इसने अटका दिया है फाइनली हमको. ओके, वाइज मूव ब्रो, वाइज मूव. You see how compact this road is by just judging where the bus stops. I mean, if you remove this parked four-wheelers, it would be much wider, I guess so. And I have kept the stabilizer on because one of my subscribers said ki after a certain amount of time it feels a bit nauseatic. Is that even a word? So yeah, I'm trying the stabilizer on. Also I have made few changes in the settings as well. तो बोला था ना मैंने राधा चौक में ट्रैफिक होगा. इट्स ड्यूड, आई हैव नेवर सीन इतना ट्रैफिक यहाँ पे. शिट. ब्रदर, oh yeah, so the settings which I have changed is मैंने वो ये वाइट बैलेंस थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे किया है, एंड ऑब्वियसली आईसो मिन मैक्स भी थोड़े से एडजस्टेड है. इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ वीडियो फॉर्मेट देन surely I'll send you the exact details of what I have done. I genuinely don't know how it's looking. I just copied it from one of the YouTuber. भाई इधर का सिग्नल इतना गंदा है. You literally wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm not kidding, okay? I'm even not exaggerating the word. I'm not exaggerating. I'm the highway. I genuinely feel कि हाईवे पे भी ट्रैफिक होने वाला है. I never knew कि फ्राइडेज को भी ऑफिस को जाते इतने लोग. I thought they try the work from home thing. Okay, at least we covered 70% of the distance. The main 30% is right over here, and I feel like there is no traffic police today. Wow. I'm gonna remove my visor right now because it's suffocating now. Okay, there is a traffic police. Cool. Okay, it's packed. It's fully packed. Shit, it's not moving anywhere. That's bad. I said in one of my video, right, I always stay on the wrong lane. This is the example. Don't on, man. There is no way to go. I feel like every biker should wear this GoPro nowadays, क्योंकि भाई इतने incidents हो रहे हैं आजकल. It's always better to keep your GoPro on and log your daily life profile, because you never know what could happen the next instance. And keeping a proof is what helps most of the humans nowadays. Oof. Oh God. Ouch. Shit. Okay. We back on the route. It's fully packed, yaar. Look at the left hand side, bro. They don't even care. It's like, hi, to bed. Fucking jokers. We are in Kothurud and we'll stop near the Royal Enfield ka showroom, which is right. Ouch. Okay, I missed this shit. Which is 50 meters from here, and then we'll do the blanket. I'll do it right in front of you. नहीं तो तुम बोलोगे क्या गंदा रहा है भाई, कंटेंट के लिए कुछ भी कर रहा है. I don't want that allegations on me. It's gonna be live happening in front of the camera. Alright, but goddamn, where the hell is this Royal Enfield? Okay, right over here. I feel like we'll stop. कहाँ पे रुके? यहाँ पे रुकते हैं. So yeah, look over here. Sony PS5 Spider-Man 2 video game delivery in 21 minutes. God damn, I'm already late. Obviously I won't show you my password, PH. Well, I hope it comes okay, because I've paid pretty hefty amount right now. Order placed. Let's see. Where are you? Oh, fuck me. It's gonna take 21 minutes. I'll have a chai, I feel like. Yeah, chai. Having chai is better. So yeah, once it comes I'll show you. But yeah, this is the proof. Don't start crying in the comment section. Alright, chalo, bye. Alright, तो हमने सामान पैक कर लिया है. I mean CD पैक कर ली है, and we're heading to the food place.
2 days later.
God, wow, what a turn, man. भाई, I mean भाई. The movie is at 10:30 and it's 10:38. I had to go through very severe traffic while coming here. Phew, anyways, 5 minutes है अपने पास. So yeah, we are still safe. I hope so. Just wanted to say bye-bye. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. खाने का, पीने का, बत्ती बुझाने का, सो जाने का. समझे क्या? भिड़ो. देयर यू गो, व्हाट अ टाइमिंग।